Hello folks, we come to the part 2 video of the exercise 9.2. We continue with the problems. Due to some technical problems, we weren't able to complete the question number 3 in the previous video. We should complete it. We had reached D as minus 6. 20th term is what we had to find. So A20 by formula is A plus 19D. We have got all the prerequisites, so we can substitute and get the answer. A for us is 2. And 19 times minus 6, let's find out, is how much? Plus and minus, it's minus. 9 6 are 54, 5 carry, 114. 2 minus 114 is minus 112, and that is what they have asked us. So that is about our third problem. This is how we complete it. Then we quickly move to the fourth problem, and in the fourth problem they are saying, they give us an AP and they say that how many terms are needed to get the sum as minus 25. N you have to find. So here, what do we have? Our A as minus 6. What is our D? Minus 11 by 2 minus of minus 6, because we write A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 means minus from the formula and minus of this number together will make it plus. So in order to simplify this into 2 to get the proper denominator, it is minus 11 plus 12 by 2, that's half. So D works out as half. You need to know what is n from the given Sn. Sn is given to you as minus 25, but by formula Sn we all know is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. So right away let's see how it works. N we don't know, 2a we know is minus 12 because 6 is a is minus 6 plus n minus 1 times d is half for us is equal to minus 25. Let's have the equalized and 2 removed. N by 4, 2 is coming out, minus 24 plus n minus 1 is minus 25. So n times n minus 25, let the 4 go there, minus 25 into 4 is minus 100. Let's open it up. N squared minus 25 n minus 100 can come here, it will become plus 100. If you know to break it up and get the quadratic, we get it right away. Otherwise, we will go in for discriminant formula. Now, 100, very famous number, 25 into 4, 10 into 10, 20 into 5, many such things. So here I think 20 into 5 will work. So let's take it up that way. It's n squared minus 20n minus 5n plus 100 equal to 0. So you have n minus 20 and n minus 5. Like that, you get the value of n as 5 and 20, and that is your answer. Then we quickly move to the fifth question, and in the fifth question they say that they give you the pth term and they give you the qth term. They ask us to find this, that's all, right? So right away let's start here. AP is 1 by q, which means it is a plus p minus 1 times d is 1 by q, and AQ is 1 by P means A plus Q minus 1 times D is 1 by P. Right. Let's have them solved. Okay, let's solve. A plus Q minus 1 times D is 1 by P. Okay, solving. Right. What happens? Actually, we are subtracting. Or you can write subtracting also. So, A is getting cut. And then what is happening? This minus this. So D times P minus 1 minus Q minus 1, 1 by Q minus 1 by P. Let's solve it. D times P minus 1 minus Q plus 1, and no, you have to equalize, there's no way out, into P into Q. So P minus Q by PQ. What's up here? P minus Q plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. D times P minus Q is P minus Q by PQ. This can vanish. D we are getting as 1 by PQ. Huge thing. Once you get D, your work is almost half done. They are asking us to find the sum of PQ terms. No problem. Let's find it as PQ. By formula is PQ by 2 times 2A plus PQ n minus 1. D is 1 by PQ. Yeah, now A we could have found out from here somewhere. Yeah, also A plus P minus 1D for us was PQ, P by PQ, yeah, is equal to 1 by Q. So A equal to 1 by Q, we are taking that on the other side, minus P minus 1 times PQ. In order to equalize, it will be P and PQ. So this will come to P minus P plus 1 by PQ. So it's 1 by PQ. It's coming as 1 by PQ. So this, if you want, you can change it and you can write it as 1 by PQ. How do we solve this? PQ by 2. So it is 2 by PQ plus PQ minus 1 by PQ means 1 minus 1 by PQ. Just check if it's correct. You're opening up the bracket. So what will happen? Now this will become, denominators are same, so numerators can subtract, and you're getting 2 minus 1, 1. So this is PQ by 2, 2 minus 1, 1 by PQ plus 1. Or in other words, if you equalize this, PQ by 2, when we equalize it, into PQ into PQ. So it will be 1 plus PQ by PQ. So 1 plus PQ by 2. That is what they have asked us to show. That is our problem number 5. We quickly take up the problem number 6 also. They say if the sum of certain terms of an AP is 116, then you find the last term. They tell us that S6 is 116. And then they have given us the AP as 22, 25, 19 and so on. Find the last term they have said. Find A. Right. Here, what is our A? 22. What is our D? How is that? It is 25, 22. So, we will have A2 minus A1, 22 minus 25, which is minus 3. So they are, and Sn is given, and Sn is 116, which by formula, Sn is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so n by 2 times 2a means 44. N minus 1 we don't know, d is minus 3, yes, your work is done, 116. So n by 2 times 44, when we open the bracket, minus 3n plus 3 is equal to 116. So how much does this come to? 47 minus 3n is 116. We are taking the 2 on the other side. 47 minus 3n, 116 into 2, 6 2s are 12, 232. Opening this up, 47n minus 3n squared. Let's have all that on one side. 3n squared minus 47n plus 232 is equal to 0. If you could break up that way, otherwise by quadratic formula. So it is 3 into 2 into 116 that we have this one, because this 3 and all that. So what else? 2 into 5, 58, or 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 29. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. I think 24 and 29 will do the work. No. So we say something wrong here. Oh, just see the mistake, because we should be taking 25, isn't it? So 25 into 2, it's 50. So automatically this will change. This will be 50. So this will be 50 plus 3. This will become 53. This is also 53. So like that, this should be the factor n squared minus 24n minus 29n plus 232 equal to 0. So when we try to take the factors, n minus 8, and here you will have minus 29 out. So n minus 8 equal to 0. Like that, you will have 3n minus 29 and n minus 8. So Yes, I hope that's we are on one small checking. Yeah, and that way, because this will not give you a natural number thing, so your value of n will come out as 8. This is how we go about doing these kind of problems. Yes, fine. So n equal to 8 is your thing, and they ask us to find the last term. So therefore your A8 is coming out like A plus 70, which is A plus 7 for us. 7 into D for us is minus 3, minus 21. Minus 21 and 25 minus 21, so that's 4. Let's quick cross check. Yes, 4 is your required answer. That's all about this part. We are going to take up the next problems in the next part. Thank you.